welcome to the 4th episode of Acer EduTorial. You are just one step away from you meeting your laptop. Before taking the final decision, what else should I take into consideration? Well, keep in mind that connectivity is very important to get the best possible user experience. That's why you should consider it before making your final choice. Our latest laptops feature the Wi-Fi 6, aka the new standard supporting Geek Alert 802.11ax protocol. Is it worth getting it? Of course it is. Wi-Fi 6 has been designed to double the maximum speed versus the previous generation and improve efficiency in high-density scenarios, such as one-to-one approach, where every student is regularly connected. With Wi-Fi 6, you can also count on improvements in power consumption and security protocols. Moreover, we have started to introduce the 4G LTE connectivity as an option for selected laptops for both students and teachers, as hybrid learning made the importance of broadband outside schools crystal clear. 4G LTE will help fill the gap many families experience during remote learning. And talking about speed, don't forget about the computing performance granted by the latest Intel Core processors. Whether you are a teacher or a higher education student, our devices are ready for the heaviest multitasking duties. Achieving your goals will be easier, but you still might need some additional supporting connectivity. Modern devices for education feature at least one USB Type-C port with full functionalities. What does it mean? Well, differently from the standard USB, Type-C has a symmetrical connector, which means it's easier to plug in. But there's more. The single connector doesn't only offer incomparable data transfer speed, but it can also act as a DisplayPort, Ethernet port, and even power delivery. How you can enjoy all this feature with just the single tiny port? Well, consider using, for example, a multi-port dongle like this one. This is nothing but a modern docking station where you can connect whatever you want, starting with an HDMI cable. It's great to connect whiteboards or second monitors in the classroom. Wait! There are more useful accessories you can connect thanks to this dongle. Think about a wireless mouse, a keyboard, or why not, an external webcam like this one. Set it above your laptop screen or any other monitor and make the most of its wide field of view to get a full shot of your classroom. A must-have for hybrid learning scenarios. That's all for today. This is everything you need to know to make the best choice for your school laptop. If you're looking for further information, visit Acer blog and download our exclusive guide. It's very useful to compare devices and make your pick. Thank you for following our Acer EduTorial series. See you all soon!